Welcome to Dashcam Info. My name is Dirk and today we're looking at the Viofo A119 Mini 2. I'm going to unbox it, install it in the car, we're going to take a look at the app, and of course I will show you footage by day and also by night. When we open the box, the first thing we see is the mini dashcam. Underneath is a short USB to USB Type-C cable and a very long power cable that's also USB to USB Type-C. Very thoughtful that the power adapter has a dual USB port so that you're able to connect also another device. If you want to reinstall the camera somewhere else, there is a spare 3M patch. And here's a very sturdy tool for cable management. We get 2 sheets of adhesive film that you can apply directly on your windshield. And of course, the manual is also included. And here is our dashcam. What's nice is that the GPS module is built in. Of course, the angle of the front camera is adjustable. And as always, Kiwi needs to check out what I'm doing here. On all sides are vents for heat dissipation. And on the right side we have the USB-C port to power the camera and a slot for a micro SD card that is not included. There's also a hardwire kit for this dashcam, and it comes with a little adapter where you can switch between different types and voltages, so you can install it pretty much in any car. Due to the fact that I review dashcams on this channel and I have to install and reinstall them all the time, I cannot hardwire this dashcam here, and I'll be using the regular power adapter. I already applied the adhesive film to my windshield, and now I'm removing the protection film from the dashcam and press it against it. The next step is to connect our power cable and also the USB cable to our power adapter and to plug it in. The dashcam greets us with a welcoming sound.
Recording started.
From here on I wanted to continue with the settings through the app, so the next step was to press and hold the Wi-Fi button until I see a confirmation screen. The next step is to go into your Wi-Fi settings on your phone and to connect to the Viofo network. There's a very secret passcode that is 12345678. And now you can go to your Viofo app, and if you don't have it already on your phone, you can simply scan the QR codes on the box. With a click of the gear wheel you have access to all your settings. You can activate voice control, you can change the date and time and so much more. It is self-explaining and straightforward and really easy to use. Another feature of the app is that you can view and download your footage at your convenience. I set my camera to 2K 60 FPS and here is some footage during the day. And here we have some footage during the night on an illuminated street. To be fair, here's also some footage from the Interstate that was not illuminated. I was pretty impressed with the footage coming from the Viofo A119 Mini 2. It has the Starvis 2 sensor, and I think every manufacturer who's asking for more than $120 should nowadays include such a sensor or an equivalent to it. Anyway, what are your thoughts of the footage and the quality of this cam? Let me know in the comments below, I'll definitely respond. And you know, a free way to support my channel would be to leave a like, and if you like my channel overall, please consider to subscribe. It would mean a lot to me. Till the next time, stay safe, stay tuned, and take care. Bye for now.